The most expensive liquid in the world is our tear. It's 1% water and 99% feelings. Think before you hurt someone. Be patient. Sometimes you have to go through the worst to get to the best. 5 things you can't recover in life. 1. A stone after it's thrown. 2. A word after it's said. 3. An occasion after it's missed. 4. Time after it's gone. And 5. Trust after it's lost. Old friends are gold. New friends are diamond. If you get a diamond, don't forget the gold. Because to hold a diamond, you always need a base of gold. Don't mix bad words with your bad mood. You will have many opportunities to change your mood, but you will never get the opportunity to replace the words you spoke. Don't believe in luck. Believe in hard work. Never stop trying. Never stop believing. Never give up. Your day will come. Always remember that your present situation is not your final destination. The best is yet to come. Be patient. Sometimes you have to go through the worst to get the best. Give time, some time. Life is hard, but not impossible. It is during the worst times of your life that you will get to see the true colors of the people who say they care for you. Cutting someone completely off from your life is sometimes necessary for your peace. Don't feel guilty for it. Today, tomorrow, don't lose hope. You never know what tomorrow will bring. 2 things define you. 1. Your patience when you have nothing. 2. Your attitude when you have everything. Trust is like an eraser. It gets smaller and smaller after every mistake. A tongue has no bones, but it is strong enough to break a heart. So be careful with your words. When you are up, your friends get to know who you are. When you are down, you get to know who your friends are. The hardest test in life is the patience to wait for the right moment. Makeup doesn't make you prettier. Money does not make you richer, because real wealth and real beauty depends on how you value yourself. Don't compare your life to others. There is no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when it's their time. The difference between school and life. In school, you are taught a lesson and then given a test. In life, you are given a test that teaches you a lesson. When you wish good for others, good things come back to you. This is the law of nature. Locks are never manufactured without a key. Similarly, God never gives problems without solution. Only the need is to unlock them. Be strong enough to walk away from what's hurting you, and be patient enough to wait for the blessings you deserve.